Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure everyone has an Apple ID and is added to your family sharing group. Once added, open Settings and tap your name, then select Family Sharing. Next, set or confirm the organizer payment method because purchases will bill that card. Turn on Purchase Sharing and follow the prompts to share App Store, iTunes, and Apple Books purchases. You're doing this now to enable instant cross-device access instead of changing settings later. Once purchase sharing is enabled, you'll manage what actually flows between accounts. Enable Ask to Buy for children so you approve purchases. This keeps spending controlled and visible. To get shared apps or media, open the App Store, tap your profile, then Purchased and choose a family member, download directly to your device. Also review subscriptions in Settings to see which subscriptions are shareable. Some services opt out. Make sure to refresh the App Store or sign out/in if items don't appear immediately. You're at the finish line. Test sharing by downloading a free shared app or checking purchased items on another family member's device. If everything looks right, purchases will install and subscriptions show as shared where allowed. If items are missing, check each person's Apple ID, ensure all devices use the same region, and verify purchases aren't hidden in purchase history. As a final step, you can turn off purchase sharing or remove members in family sharing when you need to stop sharing payments and purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.